Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel, Resa'S Kitchenette. If you're new here, welcome. This is where I promote healthy, affordable home cooking recipes. Today I will be preparing an oven fried salmon recipe. It is very simple, it is crunchy, it is full of flavor, and it is indeed delicious. Guys, you don't want to miss out on these steps. Please follow along and let's get started. The first thing I'm doing here is adding 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs to a hot skillet. To the panko breadcrumbs, add a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and a tablespoon of dried parsley. Constantly stir the breadcrumbs until it changes from a white color to a golden brown color. Okay, so my panko breadcrumbs is golden brown. I'm going to set it aside. Next, I'm going to start cutting and seasoning the fish. This is what my seasoned salmon looks like. It will be perfect for sushi. It smells really good. Wow. The oven is already preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. My baking pan is lined with a baking sheet. We're going to bread the fish in the seasoned panko breadcrumbs, egg wash, and flour. So that is coming up next. You remember the seasoned panko breadcrumbs we made earlier? This is what's gonna give the fish a more crispier, lighter feel once it is cooked. For the remaining breading, we're gonna use 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 2 eggs for an egg wash. This is the sequence in which we're gonna do it. First, it is the all-purpose flour, then the egg wash, and finally the panko breadcrumbs. We're gonna layer them on the baking sheet and bake it for 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After 25 minutes, this is what it looks like. It is crunchy. It smells good. I can't wait to taste it to see if it tastes as it looks. I'm going to serve it with a creamy lemon sauce and I'll let you know what the taste is like. Okay, I'm going to grab a piece of the tip right here. The fish is still hot, so I'm going to take it from the smallest part. Let's see. All right, as you can see, it looks flaky, it is juicy, it's not overdone. I'm dipping it in this sauce and I'm going to have them together. Okay, wait for it. Guys, the fish is delicious. The fish is delicious. The panko breadcrumbs really did magic. It is crunchy, it is flavorful. And if you try this recipe, please share your feedbacks in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here with me on Resa'S Kitchenette. I will see you again next week. Like, share, comment, subscribe if you're new. Ring the bell so you won't miss out on these recipes I'm sharing with you. And until then, walk good. Peace.